Example 6 is an average speed question. So this is a pretty common misunderstanding. So I'll just kind of read this to you. So it says an airplane travels 1,800 kilometers at a speed of 1,000 kilometers an hour. It then encounters a headwind that slows the plane to 850 kilometers an hour for the next 2,300 kilometers. What was the plane's average speed? And what most people would want to do is they'd say, well, I'm just going to take this speed and this speed, and I'm going to add them together, divide by 2 to figure out the average speed. But we can't do that because the distances are different and the times that they did this in are different. So we can't do that. What we need to do is use our formula that average speed is equal to total distance over total time. Remember back up. I'll scroll up here. What was that? Average speed, total distance, total time. Remember that because it's a really common way for people to make a mistake. Okay, so if we need total distance over total time, I can start off here first by just figuring out what the time was for the first part. So part 1, we figure out what the time that was 1.8 hours. If you figure out the second time, no, I should say T2. Sorry about that. T2, the second time, that's using the second part, that's going to be 2.71 hours. So then all we do is total time. It's just adding those two times together. So total time is 4.51 hours. Total distance, well, we do already have the distances. So we've got 1,800 kilometers. We got 2,300 kilometers. So then we just add those together as well. So now these are the two numbers I'm going to have to use. Just put them into my formula. And they end up with 910 kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's how you do those. Number 7 here, these more difficult problems. This is going to be up to your teacher to whether you're going to give these ones a try. I recommend it. This is more, physics 30 type of stuff, but definitely I think is doable. Look through here, see if you can do it. I also want to show you that anywhere that I've got a little star on my sheets here, that's going to be a harder question. So that's a challenge yourself type of a question. So we're not going to go through that in the main course, but I'd like, if you feel up to it, I definitely want you to try it. So there's that one you can try. And then also in the practice or the problems that you guys are going to do, number 12 and 13 are also tougher problems that would be great if you could give a try. All right, so I'm going to skip that one. And that's it for this lesson. So go ahead and I'll go through these practice problems next. But once you're done that, I'm going to get you guys to do the hand-in assignment. Okay, see you in the next video.